Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you like me, constantly battling those late-night sugar cravings but don't want to ruin your fitness journey? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to indulge in a sweet treat without the guilt. Let's dive into the world of healthy desserts. We all love desserts, right? But the sugar spikes and the guilt that follow? Not so much. What if I told you that you can enjoy delicious sweet treats that are not only healthy, but also easy to make? Today, I am going to share with you my secret weapon against late-night cravings, the yogurt parfait. Let's face it, we all have those moments when nothing sounds better than a big slice of cake or a bowl of ice cream. But the sugar rush and the subsequent crash can really mess with our sleep and energy levels. Plus, it's not the best for our fitness goals. So, how do we satisfy those cravings without compromising our health? The answer lies in making smart choices and finding healthier alternatives. Enter the yogurt parfait. It's a simple yet delicious solution to our late-night cravings. Let's take a look at what goes into this guilt-free treat. First, we have Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein and probiotics. Then, we add some fresh fruits, like berries or bananas for natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins. For some crunch, we can sprinkle in a handful of nuts or a few oats. And if you need a little extra sweetness, a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon does the trick. Here is the benefit of yogurt parfait. High in protein, keeps you full and satisfied. Low in sugar, helps avoid sugar spikes. Rich in probiotics, good for gut health. Customizable, perfect for any taste preference. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, my favorite yogurt parfait recipe. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1/4 cup of granola or oats, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, a sprinkle of cinnamon optional. Start by layering the Greek yogurt at the bottom of a glass. Add a layer of mixed berries, then sprinkle in some granola or oats. Drizzle with honey and add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy dessert that's ready in minutes. So there you have it, guys, a simple, healthy, and delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Remember, it's all about making smart choices and finding alternatives that work for you. Give this yogurt parfait a try tonight, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share your own healthy dessert ideas in the comments. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tips on living a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sweet and stay healthy.